Don't miss out on my free webinar again. I will provide you with a link to it at the end of this video. This week, I've shared some information about a brand new online business model that is working great for beginners, and is making ordinary people as little as $150 a day to as much as $10,000 per month and more. Without affiliate marketing, without buying complicated tools, without e-commerce, or getting clients without any experience, and without needing your own course. Today we have a free training workshop where my friends Mike and Ty will showcase this brand new way to generate income online that is working right now in 2019. Truthfully, I didn't believe this was even possible until I verified the facts for myself. Mike and Ty will show you how they took their annual income, their salary for the year, and started making it on a monthly basis instead. On the training, you'll get all the insider details on how to get started with this business model yourself. We'll even share multiple income statements and proof that will make your jaw drop. They'll also show the no-risk way to use that six-figure sales engine process to create more freedom, especially financially, than you've ever imagined. Not only that, but you'll learn how you can fire your boss, live the life of your dreams, travel the globe, and do this while someone else does 90% of the work for you. Even better, you can even do this while working as little as 1 hour a day. Or on the weekend. Meaning this can be completely part-time or full-time for you. There are only 500 seats open to watch this training, we cannot hold any more than that. And note, this invitation is going out to tens of thousands of people, so it's going to fill up fast. The free workshop is starting soon. https://t2m.io/sfxkbdj7